Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy, Johnex. It's been a while here. So, without wasting too much of our time, I'll quickly show you how you can create your sticker by yourself. I mean, WhatsApp sticker. How you can create it and how you can export it to your WhatsApp. Without wasting too much of our time, let's get started. So, you have to click on this app, or you have to get this app first. Go to your Google Play Store and download Sticker Maker, this green one. Just tap on it. Let's wait for it to load. So since you have not created any sticker on it before, you have to click on this create a new sticker. Let me just click on it, create a new sticker pack. You have to name the sticker pack. You have to give it a name. Let's just say Jones Protect. Then the author, sorry, Jones Protect. Let me just say Jones Protect. Then let's say Jones. Then just click on this create. Okay, then tap on it. The Johnex, tap on it. Then you have access to create like 30 stickers at a go. 30 stickers at a go. So let's firstly create a tray icon. So this is the general icon that will be showing if anyone wants to save if anyone wants to save the sticker, or you yourself want to send the sticker to anyone, to be showing this tray icon. So just tap on this tray icon. Then let's say the picture is in my gallery. Let me open the gallery and select any picture. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait. Let me just search. Let me search. Sorry. Coming, coming, coming. Okay, let me just choose this one as my tray. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Then let me just say select all. This this select all here. This place select all. Tap on it. So save sticker and you are done. So the next thing for you now is to be adding. Let's firstly add the first two three sticker so that we can save it. So click on this our first one. Click on this open gallery. So when you click on the open gallery, you have to locate the image. You have to select the image you want to use. So just look for the image. Again, check your gallery, look for any image you want to use. Let me just search one. Let me just search this one. Then let me add text. Let's say I want to add a text to it. Let's say I want to add a text to it. I firstly click on select all. When I click on the select all, wait for it. Then this add text up. You see add text here. This place. This place. So just click on that add text. When you click on that, let me just add stop playing. Stop playing. As an example, click on this mark icon and let's say I place it here. Let's say I place it here. Let me expand it like this. Okay. Now let me say click on save sticker. That's first one. Let me look for another one again. ASAP, without wasting too much of our time. Let me click on gallery again. Select any picture you want to select. Select the picture. Let me just see. Let me just select this one. Then if you want to add any name, and if you don't want, just click on this select all. Select all. If you want to add any text or you want to outline it, but without wasting too much time, click on save sticker again. That's the second one. Let me click on the third one as an example again. Click on gallery, image. Let me wait for it to load. Click on album. well,
When we
sorry.
go through
Let me click on
situations,
element
it may
again
seem
and
like
let me
complications,
just look
or it
for
may
one
be
of these. Okay,
tribulations. As it
let me
keeps
just
you up
add this
at
one
night,
and
you
say,
are looking for the bigger picture. So you open
let me
up
just
the
say
scripture,
select all
and
and let me
here's what
type
you see inside.
it's not
Just
for
like
children.
years ago,
Let me just say
the disciples were rowing on a
is
boat,
not
traveling through
for
the ocean.
children.
Then they called
Children.
unto Jesus
Yeah.
when the
If you want to
waters
change the
were
color, this is it. You can change
flowing,
any
and
color.
he
You can change
showed
it. You can
them
change it.
the
Just keep on tapping on this
impossible.
above color and you are done. Okay. Let me just place it here. Let me just say okay.
Jesus stops the
So the next
storm
thing, save your
and he
sticker.
left
Now I want
the
to add it to my WhatsApp. I want to add it to my WhatsApp. So I will just click on this add to WhatsApp icon over here. This place. Sorry. This add to WhatsApp here. This place. Click on add to WhatsApp. Let's wait for it to load. Please, if you are new to this my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell notification icon so that you will be receiving notification wherever I posted
or maybe
any
it's a
video.
giant storm that is rushing down your way. So you widen up your eyes,
So sorry for that.
searching for
After the ads,
survival,
it
digging
will show
through
you
the
ads.
Bible.
To show you
And
ads.
here's what
So
you
now
see
let's click on the
inside.
WhatsApp. I
Just
want
like
it to be showing
years
because I'm
ago,
using
the
like four
disciples were
WhatsApp because I've
rowing
cloned it.
on a
Let me
boat,
just click on this normal WhatsApp
traveling through
and let me
the
click on the clone
ocean.
one.
And they called
So
unto
you see,
Jesus
you say,
when
would
the
you like to
waters
add
were
Johnex to WhatsApp?
flowing,
Just click
and
on
he
this
showed
add.
them the
So Johnex has been added to
impossible.
WhatsApp. Now let's
Jesus stopped the
let's check. Let's check.
storm
Let's check. Let's
and
check. Okay.
everything,
Okay. Let's wait for it to load.
everything is
Let me
stopped the
just say a
storm.
message. Let's say I want to
Jesus
message
stopped the
myself to
storm.
confirm.
He did
So let me
everything.
just click on this message.
He
Then
did
let me click on this
anything. He
sticker.
stops the storm.
Then
Jesus
let me
stops
click on
the
this sticker now.
storm. He
As you
do
can see, this sticker has been added
anything.
successfully. You see,
He do
this is
anything
Johnex. This is
for
all
me.
my sticker
Jesus
I've
stops
created.
the
You can send it,
storm.
bam, bam,
He can do
and that's it.
anything.
You are done. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell notification button. Thank you. See you in the next video.